Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Claudia Walks. For those who are new here, returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support my videos. And guys, on today's video, guys, I'm in my farm and this is the last day being here in the farm. I'm going back to the city today. So guys, I just decided to come and get some green vegetables, beans and peas, so that when I go to the city, back to the city, I don't struggle getting some green vegetables and beans from the market. So guys, where should I go and get them from the market while I can get them on my farm? So stay here, don't go anywhere. And if you're watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe. Take me to 10,000 subscribers. Subscription is free. So guys, let's go. Guys, these are the beans I'm talking about. These are the beans. So I'm not going to get like, okay, I'm going to get like few. Yeah, so these are the beans, guys. Oh, so come, follow me. I'm trying to see the ones which are ready. The ones which are not ready, I'm not going to interfere with. Oh, some beans, some bees, guys, some bees. Oh, natural environment, natural environment. Guys, these are the beans. These are the beans. Some are ready, others are not ready, and others are drying up. So,
Three.
so guys, and at the same times I'm trying to get some vegetables. These are pumpkin leaves. Guys, I'm doing like a lot of things at the same time, eh? Getting beans, getting vegetables, and getting green vegetables, and also the peas. The peas I'm going to get them at that side. So let's do this together, guys. I know you are being inspired there outside, but oh guys, one thing I forgot to tell you is that this chondo, this bag belongs to my mom. I took it from my mom actually. The beans were still affected by the rains, but some are doing okay. Guys, I found this one. Oh guys, I have a pumpkin here which is dying. My god, look at this. I don't know what happened to it because the others are okay, but anyway, out of many, it's just one. My god, come I show you something. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is pumpkin. Pumpkin. We have another pumpkin here. Oh, others are here. Oh my god. Others are here. Let me show you. I'm a farmer. When I say that I'm a farmer, I'm a farmer. Others are here. Others are here for breakfast, and sometimes we cook them as food too. Others are here. Can't say, my god. Another one is here for different color. Another one is here. Let's go. Another one is here. Let's go. Another one is here. A big one. Huh? Others are here. This one is big, man. Others are here, guys. Huh? So guys, sometimes when I tell you that like I love farming, this is what normally motivates me all the way to that. I don't know, but anyway, I'm a farmer and I'm proud. Being a farmer is one of the best choice I've ever made in my life. So yeah, so guys, I don't know what to say, but I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. I thank God for everything in my farm. Despite of the heavy rains, floods and all that, guys, I can still get something from my farm. So I don't take this opportunity God has given me for granted. Still getting more beans, eh? I'm not buying vegetables from the market. Oh, I have to get all of this because this one is imetokana. Yeah. I think.
Oh.
So guys, let me tell you something. Yeah? So guys, let me tell you something. We have also cassava here and others around. Another one is there. Another one is there. Another one is there. They are going up to that far hen, and we have, and we also have also more pumpkins. Pumpkins actually does good with this kind of soil, so I think I should plant more. Plant more. Guys, look at this. The reason why I'm carrying these is because I know how to plant them, I know how to harvest, I know what it takes to become a farmer. So guys, don't judge me. So I think guys, this is enough for today. This one is enough actually for like how many days? Like 7 to 10 days. So see you as we prepare them in the city. Bye, and make sure you subscribe if you're watching this video for the first time. Bye. So guys, this is enough for today. So let's meet in the city. See you in the next one. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, can you subscribe? Take Claudia Walks to 10,000 subscribers, man.